Hi all, good evening. This is Shiv Prasad Reddy. I am creating this video as part of my final project presentation for ADTA 5250 large data visualization. Let me quickly share my screen. Uh, let's look at the presentation first. So the data set I have considered for the presentation is the Dallas Police Department crime records from the 1st of January 2023 to April 2023. So as part of my data cleaning process, I have deleted the uh, deleted the data that is not relevant for my analysis, and I only selected data for first quarter of 2023, deleted the columns that are not relevant for my analysis, and standardized the format of the data set and removed any missing values. In the column called track type, there are multiple blanks. So to indicate the uncertainty in the data set, I have included them and assigned a separate category called unknown. So the questions I would like to answer after analysis of the project is, which zip code has the highest number of arrests in the first quarter of 2023? And the second question is, which age group has the highest number of arrests in the first quarter of 2023? And last question is, breaking down the number of arrests as per race and sex. Which gender has the highest number of arrests and which sex has the which race has the highest number of arrests? Let's look at the charts in Tableau. So this is the first map chart that I have prepared. This provides the details of number of arrests as per zip codes. I have also created a parameter called top n sliders, tap n zip code sliders, and we can fine tune this zip code slider as per our uh, understanding. And we have if we want to look at the zip code that has registered the highest number of arrests in the first quarter of 2023, drag the slider to your left and put it on number one. You see that zip code 75220 has the highest number of arrests and the arrest count is 158. Likewise, if you would like to know top 18, here are the top 18 zip codes. If you would like to know top 40, here are the top 40. Likewise, you can fine tune as per our understanding and as per our relevance. Let's look into the arrests as per age groups. Here, I have segregated the data set into different age groups so that we can drill further into number of arrests as per age groups. And I have created the age groups from 25 to 80. So if you look at the number of arrests as per age group, in the arrests uh, in the age group 25 to 30, number of arrests are 444, followed by age group 31 to 36, and then followed by age group 18 to 24. In the age group 75 and 80, number of arrests are only 7. Let's look into the arrests by race. If we look at the number of arrests as per race, we can here clearly see that number of arrests in the first quarter of 2023 are highest for the race called blacks, and followed by Hispanics and Latinos, and the arrest count is 734. Let's look at the dashboard now. So in the dashboard, as required, I have provided the title called Dallas Police Department Crime Reports, and I have provided the data source and inserted all three charts that we previously discussed into the dashboard and integrated all of them with the arrest name. So the rationale behind selecting arrest name is, if we select any particular arrestee, we need to drill down his zip code, his age group, his race, and his sex. Uh, and here, let me show how it works. For suppose if we select one of the arrestee, we can deduce that he is from the zip code 75231. His age group is 31 to 36. His race is black, and he is male. So this is how the dashboard works. So let's look into the insights from the uh, analysis of the project. Any families planning to relocate to Texas should look at the zip codes that have the least number of arrests if their security is their primary concern, and likely avoid 75220 and 75216 that has the highest number of arrests. And communities in the zip code 75220 and 75216 should come together and understand the reasons for the crimes and work in tandem with law enforcement agencies to reduce the crimes. So we see that young adults stand out in the highest number of arrests in the first quarter of 2023. Understanding the socioeconomic conditions, access to education, and employment opportunities can help reduce the crimes in this particular age group. And lastly, the blacks have the highest number of arrests, followed by Hispanics or Latinos in the first quarter of 2023. Understanding the possible reasons like socioeconomic conditions, inequality, and over-policing of minorities could be investigated to explain the racial differences. And the final note that I would like to give is the information. The charts are only for information purposes. Does not promote any negative stereotypes about any gender or race. So hope these charts provide insights, and these are information. Uh, uh, Informative. Hope you like my presentation. Thank you. Have a good day.